What's going on, brothers? Check it out, check it out. Here you go. Look at that, look at that. Rotisserie, tumbler, chicken, hot wings. Yeah, bro, that's sexy right there. Look at that. Look at that. We got some sausage going on the top. It's already starting to split up there. Look at that. Well, barbecue does 2 in 1, brother. Look at that. There was some Nathan hot dogs. Probably take them off when they're done. Yeah, look at. Don't forget this. God is good, brother. God is good. To all my pit vatos, my brotherhood. Check out the new grates. Yeah, brother. Look at that. Look at that. What I'm talking about right there. Look at that, brother. Look at that. That's good stuff right there, brother. All right, guys. Want to say what's up? Say how you guys doing? It's Saturday night. I'm trying to watch the Porter and Spence fight, but don't look like I'm going to get to see it. Anyway, I'm going to get on here and thank you guys for everything you do. Thanks for supporting me. And God bless you guys, huh? If you guys can, go on YouTube. Subscribe to Junior Castro, the GABBYS GRILLS YouTube channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And once I get there, I can go live again on YouTube too. But anyway, guys, you guys have a good and safe night. Be safe. And most of all, God bless you guys. Yay, yay. GABBYS GRILLS.